Hanover's version of Holland Bamboo. This is an area called Trial, where you have the Trial resort right as we're coming up on it. Look at that. Just beautiful scenery. Lush green country scenery. Gorgeous. Are in St. James, a little bit into the city of Montego Bay on Howard Cook Drive, going highway, Howard Cook Highway. Now, Howard Cook, if I remember correctly, was a member of parliament for this area. I'll double check that, but I believe he was. So we're heading further into Montego Bay. Yeah. And a really nice, bright Saturday morning. The city haven't really come alive yet. Montego Bay is a very bustling city with a lot of traffic and a lot of activities going on.
500 meters, continue straight onto the Queen's Drive.
Yeah. Alright. Catch you later when we head into Trelawney on this road trip all the way into Manchester. Yeah. So we just passed Rose Hall, and now we're going by the Hyatt Vista Ziva. This entire strip is called A1. It's a part of the resort highway, if you will. A lot of the major resorts is on A1 on this highway. Places such as the Holiday Inn Sunsbury, Half Moon Hotel. Over here you have Jewel's Grand. We just passed Rosal Villa and some other major one. But it's just a beautiful stretch of some really, really nice resort. And this highway will take you all the way into Falmouth, another resort town. So Rosal Great House, famous Rosal Great House. The story about Rosal exists in Main Street, Jamaica. Let's take a look at that. That's the Great House. Waters, St. James on this side. So we're going into the Trelawney. And Trelawney has one of my favorite restaurants on the coast. It's called Glistening Waters. And it's been there for years. The restaurant stretches out right into the ocean, and it's just a spectacular view sitting out there having dinner, especially during the nighttime. I hope I'll get a chance to do a clip if we go by and I'm able to catch a clip from it from the highway. Yeah, so we are in Trelawney. So we came through St. James. We started out in Hanover, came through St. James, and now we are in Trelawney, and our travel destination is taking us into the parish of Manchester. So we will have crossed 3 parishes to get to our destination. But yeah, road trip, Diva and the island. Catch you later. So Glistening Water Restaurant is right down there. Unfortunately, we have to turn, so we'll miss it.
Continue on B11 for 20 kilometers.
Thank you, Jesus. We got past this truck guy who was right in front of us driving so slowly. All right, so now we've entered a back road, so to speak. That's Falmouth Hall Village, a development here in Falmouth, and we're going to be taking some country roads, some real country roads. They're narrow, they're windy, often filled with potholes, and the drivers do not drive like they're on a narrow, windy road. It's just speeding. They come around the bend swiftly. Have to be very, very careful as you navigate this terrain. So yeah, we are on B11. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna take this up, right up into B5, and that will drop us close and take us right into Troy, which is the border between Manchester and Trelawney. So the road trip continued, guys. I'll catch you later. So we are definitely into country terrain, where the road, the potholes, I'm telling you, whew, they're deep like wells. You gotta navigate them very carefully, or else your front end will be gone. Your tires could be blown out. You gotta be careful. And then the locals here drive these back roads like it's nothing. It's nothing to them. I guess they've gotten so used to it that they just tear up these streets. Yes, here we are. It's still beautiful though. It's country back road, but man, it's gorgeous. Yeah. Diva on the island. Yeah. Jamaica. 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 So around this area you find the Manama Sugar Estate. So what you're looking at is a stretch of cane fields from which they make the rum. We're taking our time navigating these potholes back here. But yeah, this is just a wide stretch of land that they used to grow cane. See if I can get a better shot. We're now entering the town of Long Pond, small little town in Trelawney. We just passed the Long Pond Clinic, and I think we're coming up on the police station in Clarkstown. There we go. All right, so we are deep. So this is a town. This is Clarkstown in Trelawney. Small little town, as most of these towns are. As you blink, you can go through them. They're so small, but charming nonetheless. And of course, not without the potholes. More dancing around in the streets with the car, because these potholes are just a menace to your car. Look at that church. Let me see if I can see what church is this. Didn't quite catch the name of this church, but yeah. Oh, it is the Diocese of Jamaica, so it's a Catholic church. Welcome to the Diocese of Jamaica, St. Michael's. And then right in the heart of Clarkstown, and we're coming up onto the market in Clarkstown. I think you go wrong.
Turn right toward Market Street, then turn right onto Market Street.
Okay, because she's redirecting the traffic. This is more farmland. Here you have banana. Not quite sure what they're growing there, but it could be cane. It could be. This is a area where they grow cane quite a bit. It is cane? Okay. So RCP just confirmed that it is cane. And I'm pretty sure we're going to come upon the sugar estate pretty soon. Or the sugar factory now. It used to be an estate back in Clarendon, Monomus Sugar Estate. But they've moved it. They moved the factory to Trelawney. So I'll show you that later. But look at these lush mountains. Again, everywhere you go, every bend, every turn. Look at that greenery. Yeah. See what you're looking at, that mountain region is called the Cockpit Country. So we are going around this area. Still a lot of farmland, but lots of mountain as well in the Cockpit Country region now. Manchester through Troy. So Troy is a town which borders Manchester and Trelawney. So I hope you have enjoyed the sceneries, the information along the way, and thank you for watching Healthy Cooking and Lifestyle by Barbara on my channel Food for Thought with me, Barbara Cooking-Diva, your chef and culinary nutritionist. And you know I take you along the way wherever I go. And we've arrived in cool Manchester. We'll be visiting the fam and spending the weekend. So catch you later and see you on a next road trip on Diva on the Island. Bye.